Step-by-step guide to applying for the Wells Fargo Active Cash R card. Visit the official Wells Fargo website. Navigate to the Wells Fargo Active Cash R credit card page. Review the card details. Familiarize yourself with the card's features, including the $200 cash rewards bonus and unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet the credit and income requirements for the card. Click on Apply Now. Initiate the application process by selecting the Apply Now button. Complete the application form. Provide necessary personal and financial information such as your name, address, social security number, and annual income. Review and submit. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Agree to the terms and conditions. Submit your application for processing. Await approval. Wells Fargo will evaluate your application and notify you of their decision. Activate your card. Upon approval, activate your new Wells Fargo Active Cash R card to start earning rewards.